In the previous video tutorial, we looked at the download process for CES EduPack for those with download rights. In this video tutorial, we will look at how to install CES EduPack and how to get support. Before you start, ask your lecturer, colleague or IT department for the CES EduPack installation package. To run CES EduPack, your computer must have the Windows operating system. However, thousands of academics and students are using it on their Macs, either with PC emulators or Boot Camp. Full system requirements can be found in the support page grantedesign.com. It is recommended that you uninstall any previous versions. Click the Installer file to start the process. You can choose to install the program in French as well as English. It will default to the language of your operating system, and you can change it later in the Settings menu. You can choose which databases you would like by clicking the boxes. Select the appropriate languages from English, French, Spanish, and German. You can also change where to install the files if necessary. Once you are happy, click Install. A progress bar will take a few minutes, depending on the size of the databases you chose. Once CES EduPack is installed, click Finish. You can now open the software. 2 additional databases are available in Extra Databases: the Material Science and Engineering and the Products, Materials and Processes database. For a more detailed explanation and further support, go to our support page at grantedesign.com.